Good morning everyone. I am Vivek Ranjan Sahu of Standard 9 from DAV Public School MCL Jagannath area Dera. Today we shall discuss about Newton's laws of motion. So there are basically three laws of motion stated by Sir Isaac Newton. So let us study about them in detail now. Newton's first law. Every object remains in the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change by an external unbalanced force. It is also known as law of inertia. So, to understand better, let us do an activity. Activity 1. Inertia of rest. The leaves may get detached from the tree when we shake it vigorously. Why? Because the branches comes in motion while the leaves tend to remain at rest due to inertia of rest. So, they may get detached. Activity 2. Inertia of motion. With the sharp application of brakes, the passenger tend to fall forward. Why? Because when the bus is moving, the whole body of the passenger is in motion. A sudden halt caused by the lower portion of the body that is in contact with the bus comes to rest. However, the upper portion of the body remains in the state of motion due to inertia of motion, causing the person to fall forward when the bus stops suddenly. Activity 3. Inertia of direction. When a fast moving bus negotiates a right hand turn, the passenger tilts to the left. Why? Because when the bus is moving in a straight line path, the passengers also move with the same speed in the straight line. But the upper portion of the body still continues to be in straight line motion, and the lower portion of the body tends to move along with the bus. So, the person moves sideways. Newton's second law. It states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of force. 2. In high jump, if the surface is hard, athlete's body changes velocity in less time. Large force applies on his body due to which he may get injured. If the surface is soft, the athlete's body changes velocity in more time. Thus, less force applies on his body, which is safe. Activity 2. When we catch a ball, we stop it gradually. We need to apply less force, which is easy and safe. But if we stop the ball suddenly, it will require larger amount of force, which is difficult and can injure our hand also. Newton's third law. It states that to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. To understand better, let us do an activity. Activity 1. Gun applies force on bullet due to which the bullet moves ahead. Due to Newton's third law, bullet also applies the same force in the gun in backward direction, due to which the gun moves in backward direction. This is known as recoil of gun. Activity 2. When the rocket accelerates, the hot exhaust gas from the rocket nozzle moves in downward direction. Due to Newton's third law, the hot gas exerts an equal and opposite force on the rocket, due to which the rocket propels to move in upward direction. So, to understand better, let's perform an practical activity. So, these were the three laws of motion stated by Sir Isaac Newton. Hope you enjoyed and understood the concept. Thank you.